guys, it's Ro. Welcome to another Nerdy Nummies. Today I'm hanging out with my friend, it's Lindsey. Hello. You guys know Lindsey. We bake together. We've been friends for years. She's amazing. And I'm going to be putting all of her links down below. So if you haven't already, go check her out. Show her some love and subscribe. She is super talented music artist, violinist, performer, runner-up on Dancing with the Stars, but we all know that she should have won. That's my personal opinion.
Because of you.
I'm sticking to it.
She had us on. We baked, Mark, my partner, and I. It was awesome.
We made a disco ball cake and it was so cool. Anyway,
it's a work of art.
Lindsey is super talented, amazing. She also has a really cute dog, Luna. Does Luna have an Instagram?
She does.
Okay, I need to follow it because now Cookie and Blueberry have an
gosh,
Instagram and
I
I
need
need
to
to make
follow
sure that
them.
they're following each other.
Okay.
Hold on, dog break. Real friends support each other's pets' Instagram accounts, so we need to make sure.
You are following Luna.
Okay.
You're a good friend.
Already doing it. Okay, so
True
now
friend
that,
status.
Yeah, now that that's settled, woo!
I will return the follow as soon as we are done baking.
Yes, we're gonna be baking a really fun back to school treat today, and it's kind of like perfect timing because this is right before your tour.
Yes, and also my album is coming out pretty much the same time, so everything's working.
Yes, so Lindsey has a new album. Go check it out. I'm putting links down below to where you can like find it or buy it.
All of it.
Check it out.
Check it out. Take a listen.
You guys requested that I make a cute back to school treat. So we're gonna be making something for my new cookbook. Look what we're making.
Fruit gummies. They are so cute.
Look how cute these are. I'm gonna be using our little Nerdy Nummies mold, but you can use whatever silicone mold you have at home or that you find and you think is so cute and you wanna make it into a little fruit snack. We're gonna make some fruit gummies today.
Let's get started.
Okay, so Lindsey, you've been on the show before. We baked together before.
Yes.
We made some treats. We made a cake and a little tart, but have you ever made gummies like candy before?
No. This is a first for me, and they look delicious, so let's get baking.
And look also how simple this is. I was gonna
That's
say,
what I
look at
love.
the ingredients here.
Yeah.
Now this is for 3 different flavors. You could just do one if you want to. Like if you have a favorite gummy flavor, do that one. But
And
we're
can you
gonna do a
switch
couple.
out the like these are the examples you've given, but could I do like a grape if I love grape?
Yes.
So you can do
Oh my
anything.
gosh, yes. You could do grapefruit juice, but we're using grape juice, orange juice, and it's strawberry puree.
That's the one I'm excited about.
So I'll be putting all of these ingredients and their measurements down below, so if you want to follow along, go ahead. It's down there for you. But for the grape juice, we've got the gelatin and maple syrup. For the orange juice, gelatin and maple syrup. But then for the strawberry, gelatin and a little bit of honey.
A little extra sweet.
Yeah, and we just make them each one at a time. And then we fill them into this cute little mold. And again, use whatever mold you want. I'm just using the Nerdy Nummies one because it's
So
adorable.
cute.
And I thought, how perfect for back to school. It has a little smart cookie.
Yeah, oh my gosh.
Like your little smart cookie.
Little heart.
Yeah, little 8-bit heart.
Little
dinosaur.
Stegosaurus.
All the cool things in school. This mold right here is from the Ro Baking line, and if you're interested in it, I'll put a link down below. And what's cool is they have these little squeezies too. Oh, little squeezies. Woo! Step 1's a little bit of prep. Lindsey, hold this cute little mold.
Okay.
And then you want to spray it because these are very detailed designs and you don't want it to stick. You want them to pop out easily. All right, just move it over there. I don't want to get you too bad. Oh geez, here we go. Here we
you're good.
Maybe I should have put this on the table, girl.
Yeah, why am I holding this?
Okay, that's done. And now, Lindsey, which one do you want to make first? Which flavor?
I'm kind of feeling the strawberry puree.
Ooh, okay. All right, so I'm gonna hand this over to you.
Okay.
And in a medium-sized saucepan,
So
you're gonna
cute.
add the 3 ingredients. So
Just
pour it
in
all
there?
in.
Okay.
Yep, everything.
Oh, it smells so good.
Does it smell delicious?
It smells like just pure
like
strawberries.
a fresh smoothie is
So,
what it smells
is this
like.
literally just a blended up strawberry or pureed strawberry?
Yeah, that's it.
That's amazing.
That's it.
Okay.
Then a little bit of gelatin. Shake that in there.
Shake, shake.
Dee, 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 dee. And honey. It's a little, oh my gosh, that looks so good. I
looks
can't.
so
Strawberry and honey. I could freeze that and just do a popsicle right now.
We could.
Oh.
No, we're
it's giving me
committed.
ideas,
We're
it's giving me
committed.
ideas.
Okay. Yeah, your next cookbook.
I'm like, stay focused, Ro. Okay,
make a
this
mess.
is really cool. So now, Lindsay, I'm gonna have you do this. It's super easy. Just whisk together. Whisk those 3 ingredients together. Get everything mixed in, get it all blended, and then we're just gonna let it sit for 5 minutes to bloom. Once it's bloomed, we're gonna take that little pot and head over to the stove. I can tell like you're a dancer, because you're like, you have such good posture and you look so pretty when you're doing it. And I'm like, I look like this.
It's like, are you
why when I'm whisking, I look like a little a witch? Girl, I was gonna say a little old lady.
I was imagining like your
all my
cauldron.
friends call me witches, but I'll take it. Okay, so yeah, like a little witch.
Because you're
I'm like this.
magical. You're a magical Ro.
You're making me laugh so much.
Oh no,
today. We got tears.
Okay, my arm's getting tired. I need to get on your workout routine. Okay, I'm good.
We're good. We'll let it sit. Let it sit.
It uses this little muscle right there.
Yeah, that's how bakers are so buff.
I mean, really though.
We already got the arms as bakers, right?
Yeah.
But we need the core and the squat.
Yeah.
So we sometimes I like to do these when something's microwaving or baking, because it really helps. My arms are getting a little strong.
From all that whisking.
And also, I have to carry around Cookie all the time. Like, you're a cute little dog, Luna. I could hold her with my finger.
Is Cookie?
She's 25 pounds right now.
So Luna's 6 pounds. So that's a big difference. Like Cookie's like a,
2 bowling balls. I remember
best way.
when we were at Justine's birthday and we were like standing around holding our dogs, just talking, and I wanted to feel like a part of the group, right? So I pick up Cookie, this huge double bowling ball. After a while, like I started to lean back, just like, oh!
Just like try to hold it with your abs.
Oh, thanks, Mike. See, this is what I looked like at the party. Oh yeah, same girl. I mean, the other day, so weird.
Wait, can I hold Cookie?
She's so mad.
Hi, Cookie, can I?
Oh, in her defense, all muscle. I mean, okay, Clay.
Hi. She just want kisses.
She really wants to kiss your face, and you didn't let her, so she's really upset about it.
All right, it's been sitting for 5 minutes, and it is fully bloomed.
Look at that. It's thickened, it's a little firmer. Now we're gonna take this over to the stove on a medium heat, and we're gonna let it simmer for just a couple minutes, and then we bring it right back here. Okay. Let's do it, girl. Okay, let's put it on medium.
We stir it?
Yeah, here, I'll give you.
Oh, as it starts to warm up, it gets all liquidy
again. Just whisk a couple minutes, then we take it back over here. We take the little dropper and put it in the mold.
That is so
easy.
nice.
Done. All right, so we just took this off the stove. Be careful, it's really hot. And we're taking these little teardroppers, which come with it, and you just suck up a little bit and then put it in the mold.
I love the way this smells, by the way.
Isn't this so cute?
Oh, so we just drop it in.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. And you're just gonna keep doing this, fill up the whole tray, and once it's full, we're gonna pop these in the refrigerator to chill for 1 hour. And while it's chilling, we're gonna make another flavor. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Here we go, in the fridge. So while those fruit gummies are chilling in the fridge, this is perfect. We're gonna make 2 more flavors, and I wanna eat these like now.
Yeah.
So this is perfect, so we can make 2 at a time. We can do these together. So I gave you the grape, if that's okay.
Fantastic.
And I've got the orange juice. So pour in your grape juice, and I'm gonna pour in the orange juice to a pot, a little bit of gelatin.
Oh, the gelatin first. Is it important to put the gelatin in first?
You could put it in second, but I like to put it in first so it starts reacting right away.
Smart.
So we don't have to wait as long for it to bloom. And then remember, for these recipes, I'm using maple syrup instead of honey. And this is just to sweeten it. It's a nice natural sweetener. I always like cooking with, whenever I can, honey or maple syrup.
I love that about your recipes, actually.
They've been getting more and more like that over time. And even, if you're vegan and you don't want to use a gelatin, they have a lot of gelatin replacements.
Oh, nice.
So you can customize it. You can make it for you. All right, let's mix these up and let them sit for 5 minutes. Pew, 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 pew. I feel like this is a mix challenge.
I know, who can whisk faster?
Wait, let me get my posture.
What did I say?
We gotta do the squat way.
Oh.
Let's squat.
Squat
let's
way,
squat,
do this.
girl, let's squat it
Okay.
out. Ready,
And the farther-
set, go. Oh my
I
God.
just learned that the farther out you put your knees, like, the more it burns. Oh. My legs are on fire. My legs are on fire
already. Okay.
I thought I'd last longer.
This is so loud. Okay. Let it sit for 5 minutes. 5 minutes to recover.
Okay.
Woo!
Let her bloom and let her burn.
Bloom, baby. Bloom and burn.
Only a witch would have this. And she's trying to block it with her body. You show them that full basket of apples.
You found me out. Why do all witches have those apples? And they're like, they dip them in
They
poison,
dip 'em.
and then they're like, bye, trashy. Okay, now do the same thing as before. Get your little teardroppers and just plop them in the mold.
Oh yeah, this one's a little more liquidy.
This makes me want to drink a huge glass of orange juice right now. It smells so good.
Oh dear.
Lindsey, you're so fast.
Well, I just had an accident. But you know what's nice about this dropper? Accidents are very easily fixable. You just
Yeah,
flick it.
easy. You can just flick it off, or once they're done setting, you just peel it.
Oh,
so
nice.
don't even worry about spilling. You could use a little spoon. I just like the droppers. They make it a little easier, but you could use a spoon.
Okay, well, no rush, but I'm gonna play with your puppy.
Oh, you found Blueberry. Oh, it's Blueberry Muffin, everybody.
Everybody say hi to Blueberry. Hi, beautiful.
Hi, sweetie.
So cute.
How are you, adorable girl?
What a beautiful color. Like, she actually is like blue.
Yeah, she's like this beautiful, like blue-gray color. She's got these funny little markings.
Wants some.
I know, it kind of reminds me of like a Rottweiler. Oh my gosh, Lindsey, how did you beat me? You really did such a good job.
Motivation to play with the puppy is like, I gotta hurry.
You were like, I'm gonna play with that puppy. I'm gonna go so fast. And then I'm over here just.
Also, I think that's what makes you such a good, you know, baker, and so inventive is the fact that that's your process. The fact that you're very meticulous, you're very detail oriented.
It's slow and it's good.
It's slow, it's good, and that's why your cookbook is amazing.
Aw,
and everything you do is
Lindsey.
amazing because you don't speed through it.
All right, Lindsey, let's put these in the fridge
Okay.
to chill. Then we'll pop them out. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Here, I'll come help you.
Not letting go of the dog.
Okay, the gummies have chilled. We've popped a few out. Here's what they look like. Look at, they hold the shape so perfectly. You can see all the little
so cute.
details. And they're really easy to get out because this is a silicone mold and not a hard mold like a metal one. The metal ones are harder because you can't do this. The silicone ones, you just push them and boom, look at that. I'll have one right now.
So easy.
Do they
Oh, they're
taste
so
like
good.
an orange juice? I want to eat a dinosaur.
I really want to try strawberry one.
Me too. I think the puree one is going to have the strongest flavor. All of these gummies are fruit gummies, so the flavors are light and very natural. But if you would like them to taste more like a candy, like the gummies you see at the store, like the gummy bears, you add a little measurement of citric acid. It's so good. It makes it a little bit more tart and tastes more like a gummy bear. So it's really up to you, especially for kids. Whatever one you'd like, you can't go wrong. Ta-da! Here are the delicious little fruit gummies that we made today. The recipe is in my new cookbook, and I'll be putting a link down below and all the ingredients if you'd like to follow along. A big thank you to you guys for suggesting we make a back-to-school treat, and also a big thank you to my friend Lindsey. Lindsey, thank you for helping me bake today.
This is so fun. It's always so fun to be here with you.
I love hanging out with you. It's one of my favorite things ever. She is the best. And again, she has a new album out. She's going on tour. And if you haven't already, I'm going to be putting her links down below to go check her out and subscribe. She also has the most phenomenal music videos I think ever made. They're so beautiful. So I'm putting all of her information down below. Go check it out. Go check it out. Also, don't forget about our dogs.
Our dogs, our babies.
Okay? We're dog moms. You know, we're working hard so our dogs have a better life. So I'm gonna be putting Instagram links down below to Luna, her dog, also your Instagram, but also Luna's.
Yeah.
Right?
The real stars of the show.
I don't want to spoil your music concert for everybody, but if you haven't seen it, Luna's in the show for a little bit.
She kind of steals the show.
She's great.
To be honest. She's amazing.
It's like she's famous. Okay, anyways.
Matching costumes.
I'm
Enough
putting
said.
all Oh my gosh, yes. I'm putting all those links down below. Go check it out. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And if you guys make these treats, please take a picture and send it to me. I love seeing your baking creations. It makes me happy. It just makes my day. And also, school's starting up again, so I hope you have a good year. All right, thanks again. Bye-bye. Bye.